विभोहरतु मे पापम् दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं करोति कल्याणम्. As positivity. With this noble thought, I request all dignitaries on dais to join their hands for lightening the lamp.
Common effect by the Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman on 28th February 1928. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. It is the great day for all Indians and people of the world. National Science Day is celebrated as one of the main science festivals in India every year, during which students of schools, colleges demonstrate various science projects as well as national state science institutions demonstrate their latest researches. The celebration also includes public speech, radio TV, talk shows, exhibitions, science exhibitions based on themes and concepts, watching night sky, live projects, and researchers demonstrate their debates, quiz competitions, lectures, science model exhibition, and many more activities. Thank you. Have a nice day.
To give you information regarding STI impact on skills. STI has a significant impact on fostering socio-economic and political development globally and benefiting all the sectors through scientific and technological advances. STI acts as a key determinant in addressing socio-economic challenges related to critical sectors such as health, education, environment, water, food, energy, climatic change, and etc. STI acts as a technology policies post-independent India were predominantly rooted and
Since 1987, on February 28 every year. Events on this day remind the importance of science inspiring people of all ages to work in the field of science. This may attract many young minds and motivate them to take up science as their career. The celebrations of this day include showcasing countries' competence in the field of science. National Science Day is also known as Rashtriya Vigyan Divas and is observed to mark the discovery of Sir C.V. Raman's work on scattering of light by liquids. Of course, it was the one and our country the Nobel Prize in Physics and came to be known as Raman effect. We wish you all a happy 34th National Science Day. One song can change a moment. One idea can change a world. One step can start a journey. But a prayer can change impossible to possible. Now let's start our program with a prayer song. I call upon Dhanushri and group.
अक्षर रूपिणी ज्ञानदायिनी अक्षर रूपिणी ज्ञानदायिनी नाद रूपिणी तो ब्रह्माणि नाद रूपिणी तो ब्रह्माणि शब्द रूप वरतु दे दे मंत्र रूप तो तंत्र रूप तो मंत्र रूप तो तंत्र रूप तो निगमागमद तो मंजु भाष तो लीला लीलाधारिणि विधि विलास तो शारदे वरदे मां वरतु दे दे शारदे वरदे मां वरतु दे दे हरिहर सुर नर सकलाराधित वरदे मां वरतु दे दे शारदे वरदे मां वरतु दे दे कुबुद्धिनाशिनि कामितदायिनि कुबुद्धिनाशिनि कामितदायिनि मंगलरूपिणि श्री भवानी मंगलरूपिणि श्री भवानी मन में डोले हम सब
way of life. Science is a perspective. Science is a process that takes us from confusion to understanding in a manner that's precise, predictive, and reliable. A transformation for those lucky enough to experience it that is empowering and emotional. Today, it's my immense pleasure to welcome the gathering. Firstly, a gracious welcome to the president of today's occasion.
Synthesis of protein and lipids. They answered. Okay. Simultaneously they answered. The moment I asked, they answered. Okay. What is the expanded form of AMP? Expanded form of AMP. What kind of friction is involved in a bird in flight? Responsible for synthesis of proteins and lipids. Wrong answer. What is the normal pulse rate per minute in healthy person? Pulse rate. Why it is advised not to use copper or gauze vessels to store pickle or curd? Why it is not advised to use a copper or gauze vessels to store pickle or curd? I think this will move much. In addition to that, one more information. Okay, one more. Once again, I go back to question.
It avoids the current flow in the
It
wire.
avoids the current to flow in the circuit. Which is organism? Name the organism. It is organism. The answer is anaerobic bacteria perform anaerobic respiration. Through that, the cow dung is converted into biogas. Okay. Then the direct question for the team, Abdul Kalam team. Question, sir. Name the gas which is mainly responsible for causing acid rain. Name the gas which is mainly responsible for causing acid rain. Carbon monoxide is wrong answer. The chief gas responsible for this. The question is passed on to the Sir C.V. Raman. It is gas. No. Wrong answer. Vikram Sarabhai. Okay. So now we have successfully completed first round. So everybody are trained, very nice, and I think it's moving in a top way. Then let me move on to the second round. No sir. After. So after second. Okay, let me move on to the second round. The second round is your visual round. So here, just instructions. Just have the instructions and name the scientist and his invention. If answered, you will be awarded 10 points and no negative points will be given for incorrect response. Is it clear? Yes, the first question for the Sir C.V. Raman team, just picture. Identify this scientist and explain his adventure. It says in one word. You have a time. Here it is not a passing question. You have a time. Until completion of the time, you can think and tell. Yes, the question is passed to the APJ Abdul Kalam team. No idea. Third, Kalpana Chawla team. Any idea? Fourth, Vikram Sarabhai. No team has answered. Any one from audience? He is very famous scientist, belongs to India. He done lot of adventures and lot of inventions in the astrophysics. Can you name this person? The answer is Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. So he explained clearly the final stage of the star. After when the star attains the final stage, what will happen? Means maybe it comes in a dwarf position. Direct question for the Abdul Kalam team. Yes, sir. Right answer. Good. And what is he discovered electron? He got 10 points. They got 10 points. Yes. Kalpana Chawla. Then the direct question for the Kalpana Chawla team. Are you ready? Yes. Name the scientist. Marie Curie is absolutely right answer. And is it her invention? Very good, very good. Radium. She invented radium and polonium. So absolutely correct. Yes. And the next question is come to the fourth team, that Vikram Sarabhai team. The pick. Name the scientist. And say his invention. Then pass to the Sir C.V. Raman team.
Henry Becquerel, who invented radioactive.
No. Pass to the APJ Abdul Kalam team. Wrong. Then finally come to the Kalpana Chawla team. No idea. Any audience? Can you guess? He is a chemist. Got 25 points, and Vikram Sarabhai team got 25 points. Very nice. Just give them a big round of applause. Let me move on to the third round. The third round is science in everyday life. So the first question, go to first Sir C.V. Raman. Are you ready? The round is the science in everyday life. Are you ready? Okay. So here a general.